Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is just one of them days. It's been raining all morning. Kids have exciting news for y'all, but I'm gonna let them tell you. Right now, we're just walking chaos. He's in sniff mode, so he's not even paying attention right now. School's out for summer!
No more school! School's out for summer! No more school's out for summer. And he's going to be in 2nd grade. I'm going to be in 3rd grade.
So the other day, before school let out, it was Wednesday, I'm pretty sure, we had an awards ceremony for Adrienne and Bobby. Bobby, what'd you get?
This is from weeks.
He got a speech award. It said, "You did it. Great work in speech therapy."
Paddleball.
Hold on, keep it still so I can read it. He got the Paddleball Award. It is for working hard every day in all subject areas over and over and over. What else did you get?
One from sitting to 49.
He got to episode 49 in Headsprout. He got an award for that. And he also got completing 1st grade. He is now our big 2nd grader. How do you feel about being in 2nd grade?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Yes.
That is awesome. You're getting smarter and smarter every year.
I got some awards the other day. This one's from Chalk Award for being such a great artist and sharing your art with the class.
Let's see it. Chalk Award. And she also got a box of chalk. And with Bobby's Paddleball Award, he also got a paddleball. What else did you get?
A completing for 2nd grade.
This is the Certificate of Achievement for reading and spelling. Meaning you did great in reading and spelling.
Tucker.
Oh, this is the ribbon that came with it. It was the Outstanding Achievement ribbon. Tucker Memorial Elementary School. And you got the Outstanding Achievement Award. What else did you get?
A music award.
Oh, she got the outstanding, hold it up. She got the Outstanding Ovation. It awards Adrienne Jones for excellence in music. That's awesome. Anything else?
In Headsprout
What level did you get to in Headsprout?
has completed Headsprout episode 80.
You got all the way to 80.
Is
That's huge.
becoming a great reader.
Yes, Adrienne Jones is becoming a great reader. And we also got completing 2nd grade. How do you feel about having to start a new school, new grade, everything?
Good.
You excited about it?
Mhm.
Can you not wait to go back to school, or do you want the summer?
I want the summer.
Alright, Bubby accidentally fell asleep. We're back at Lee and Sam Vlogs. We're going to be doing an experiment that involves making, what, Mama?
Lava lamps.
Lava lamps.
Y'all want to learn how to make a lava lamp?
Yes.
So we're going to try to make a lava lamp. Is that cool?
Yes.
Alright, folks, this is our experiment. What are you going to need for it, Mama?
You're going to need vegetable oil, food coloring, water, Alka-Seltzer tablets. You can also put glitter in it.
Alright, so what colors do y'all want to be?
We have purple, green,
Purple.
pink, and blue.
Purple.
Purple, green, pink, blue.
You want blue.
Blue?
Purple
So-
and blue.
Purple and blue. Alright, water first. There, we want your heads in there too a little bit too. That's why we're trying to make sure that y'all are in it. You alright, Bub? You awake?
Yes.
You didn't mean to fall asleep, I know that.
Gotta wake
We were
up.
trying to get it. Ooh, Bubby. How much?
You kind of just put a little
About right
layer
there?
at the bottom.
Alright.
And then you put your food color. Good little bit.
You ready?
Yep, go ahead.
Which hand? Right hand. Alright, come on. Squeeze it right here. This side. Into there. Over, in. Over.
How many times?
Until I say stop. Come on. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Just keep
Okay, you're
squeezing.
good.
Squeeze, boy.
You're good.
5,
Just
6,
squeeze.
7.
Squeeze it.
No.
It doesn't matter how many drops. Ooh. Okay. We're cool? Put the oil. Mama, you start. Remember, don't fill it all the way up.
Yeah, we gotta save a little room at the top.
Yeah, if we fill it all the way up, then it's going to over. It'll go over. We can't have that.
It's already starting on the bottom.
There you go. Cool. Cool.
It's already starting.
You'll see. Alright, you can see it, bub?
We don't want it to fall
Can you
out.
see that?
It'd make a huge
All right.
mess.
Ooh.
Look how pretty.
Is that cool? That is pretty. Look at Bubs. It's crazy looking, huh?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And you
Blue's
take
great.
your Alka-Seltzer tablets.
You all know what Alka-Seltzer is for, right? It's for heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach. If you eat too much, it helps you digest.
They have cold pills.
Yeah, they help you go to sleep. That's what these are. These are for
You
Mr.
both
Bubby.
get one, and you break it in little pieces.
These are Mr. Bubby's cold pills. Little pieces.
Like fours. Fours.
Fourths. You mean fifths?
No, they're fours.
Tenths. Okay.
And you just drop it in there and
Here.
watch what it does.
Drop it in. Watch it.
No. Just wait.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Look at that,
Look
y'all.
how cool.
Here, put another one. Can I help?
See,
Put
can
it
the
over
camera
there?
see it?
It shouldn't hurt. Alright, just don't touch the oil. Okay?
It's pretty cool.
That's good. Set it down. Hold on. You're going to get it wet. If it gets wet, it may not do it. That is crazy looking, huh? It looks like a tornado.
Look, it's all coming up on the top.
Yeah. Look at Bubs, Adrian.
That's
That's
awesome.
crazy looking, huh? Can we get a
Is that
zoom
a
of that?
experiment?
Hold on.
Just wait. It's still foaming at the top.
Yeah. Can we get that of Bubby's? That's pretty cool.
That's
Whoops.
awesome.
And we're going to get one of Adrian's. So what do we do? Are we going to throw another one in there?
Yes.
Sure.
Throw them all in there? What are we doing?
Oh,
Hold on.
throw all the rest of it in.
Throw all the
See
rest
what
of it here.
happens.
I got
Hopefully
you.
it don't
Hold on.
overboil.
Hold on. Okay.
Hopefully we don't have to go find a rag real quick.
Throw them in there. Don't touch the oil, okay? Don't go into the oil, man.
Oh
Just
my
drop it.
goodness.
Cool. Yeah, hers
Look
is
how
going.
cool.
Look at Sissy's. Look at Sissy's is bubbling up crazy. Look. Look at Sissy's, man. It's going. It's like foamy.
It's cool.
Yours is going too. That's awesome. Look at it. It's going up the sides. I think the blue worked the best.
Yeah, you can see the blue better.
Or it might be the amount of water, or you never know.
Yeah, you never
different.
know.
Because you seen how mine bubbled a little bit? Like I said, we learn from our mistakes. No matter what. But that's pretty cool though. Because you can still see through it and you can see it sliming and gooping.
That's awesome.
That's
guys.
when oil separates from water. You hear me? The water is the blue and the oil is the clear. So what it's doing is shooting water up through with the chemical that we have in it.
Yeah.
The little pill, which, is what?
Effervescent.
Effervescent tablet. That's it. So can y'all say effervescent?
Effervescent tablet.
Effervescent.
Effervescent tablet.
Cool.
They also said if you don't have effervescent tablets, you could use salt.
Yeah.
We're gonna see what salt does. Cool?
Yeah.
alright with
It
y'all?
might make it go all the way to the top and then.
I don't know if it's gonna be like that.
I'm going to try to idolize salt first. Okay? Look at that stuff.
That's cool.
Ooh. That was different, huh?
It
Try it, Mama.
makes noise.
Grab a little, if anything, yeah, I got it.
Scared.
Yeah, I don't want it to bubble up too much. That's crazy, huh? And then me and Bubble try this one. Try another.
There
Well,
it
it's
goes.
dissolving.
So salt does the same thing.
Pretty much. I don't know about what Adrian's. Ooh. Eh, different. Like I said, let me try the little chunks.
But the tablets work better.
Yeah, they do.
They lasted longer.
Little chunks
The sea salt.
of sea salt.
Mmm.
It's fizzing. Huh. Anything? No.
The sea salt doesn't
Sea
work.
salt does not work, y'all. Don't try sea salt.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Sooner or later, we're going to make some more videos.
Yes, we will. And y'all stick around and see them, please.
See you next time.
Please like and subscribe and share it if y'all really did like it. And if not, just give us a thumbs up. All right. Thank y'all. Say bye.
Bye.